Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By what you guys saw in the title, today's video is gonna be my everyday makeup look. If you guys wanna know how I achieved this look, then just make sure you guys keep on watching. Welcome back. So I've been doing this look literally every day for I think it's been more than 2 months now, and I've been loving it. I clearly can't stop, doing my makeup this way because I've literally been doing it every single day, and plus I realized that it just looks so good in pictures, so I kind of need this makeup look now. Okay, so clearly, obviously, I have not done my eyebrows. Honestly, I think I just don't know how to use brow gel on my brows because as you guys saw, well, hopefully you guys saw on my last video, my Ulta haul, I bought these brow products because I really didn't think whatever I had for my brows worked for me. So I bought a few more products just so I could try them out. But honestly, now I'm thinking that I'm the problem. Now I think that I'm just the one that doesn't know how to use it because I've tried all these products and for some reason they end up doing, they all end up doing the same thing. So I think it's me. I guess they look kind of even. We're gonna leave them like that. Okay, so this time the e.l.f. brow lift actually worked pretty good. Last time I was using it, it kind of wasn't sticking. But this time I guess it was working, so it's a good thing. Now I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. Obviously you guys don't have to see that, so I'm just gonna cut it out. Fast forward to, me doing my eyelid. But I guess if you guys wanna know what concealer I use for carving out my brow is the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I'm pretty sure you guys know which one this is. I don't really like this concealer. That's why I kind of just use it for my eyelids. It works perfect for me carving out my brows. But for everything else, it's kind of ass. So yeah, that's why I use it. And it's still pretty full, so I have to finish it before it expires. Well, I have to try to finish it before it expires. Let me just do this real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, it's literally been 20 minutes that I've been filming and I'm barely on my eyebrows. I can't believe that. Lately I've been taking really long doing my makeup. I don't know why. I just kind of get in this vibe and I'm I just kind of lose track of time. So for eyeshadow, I mean, you guys can do whatever you want for eyeshadow. I pretty much just do what I've always done. I just grab two pretty brown neutral shades and put them on my crease, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, something like this, just see the difference. This one looks really ugh, no color. This one looks more natural, more I don't know, I always think of cat eye-ish. Maybe that's not even what it looks like, but to me it does. So ugh, I really wish I could listen to music right now. I feel like my makeup looks better when I'm listening to music also. Okay, so this is it for eyeshadow. Obviously, you guys can do any eyeshadow look that you guys want to do. I like to keep it more simple now. Okay, so now that I am done with the eyes, I am gonna go with, oh my God. I feel like every single time I take a little break from YouTube and then I come back, I kind of forget how to talk on camera. Okay, one thing I can say about this e.l.f. product is that it's definitely way better than the ABH, and the ABH brow freeze is $20 something, and the e.l.f. brow lift, the brow gel is $6, I think. So e.l.f. keeps coming out with all these products and they're super good and super cheap, and I cannot think like, what are these other brands doing then? Like, you know, like it's supposed to be a high-end brand for a reason, but when a cheaper like drugstore brand can just do the same formula or even like make a better product for cheaper than like, you know, than like high-end, what are you doing? It makes no sense. Was that a dog? Okay, but see, I feel like I like kind of forgot to do YouTube, or maybe, I mean, is there really a way to do YouTube? I don't know. So for this look, I haven't been priming. I just moisturize my skin, and the moisturizer that I use is the Tatcha water cream. I love that moisturizer. It's so lightweight, but like it like instantly makes your skin feel like kind of like if you put a blurring primer on. It's amazing. It is a little bit expensive, but I definitely think it's worth the money. And this foundation is amazing. I mean, look, it looks so good. But yeah, I don't use a primer. I just moisturize. And for foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is like, I've been using this foundation every single day. It's so good. Like, I don't know why I didn't really like it back then. Like when I purchased it last year, I used it a few times, and I remember on the video I even said, I was like, I don't know what was the lady thinking when she picked my shade. I mean, clearly she picked my shade right. I don't know why back then it seemed like she didn't. Maybe it was like during the winter, so yeah. But I mean, now that I started using it for the summer, it was so perfect. It lasted all day. It was just, it's a really good foundation. So if you guys haven't tried it, you guys should definitely try it. It is a little bit expensive. I think it's like $50, but I mean, again, I think it's worth the price. I feel like definitely some products are definitely worth the splurge. Okay, foundation is on and it's looking amazing. I mean, look at this. It just made my skin like so even. I love this. I am definitely gonna be purchasing this for the winter. I just have to get, you know, I just have to get my right shade for the winter. But that foundation is everything right now. Okay, so for cream bronzer, I am using the e.l.f. Pretty Bronzer. I purchased a new shade, so I'm gonna be using the Bronze Belle shade. I feel like it's a little bit cooler tone, so more for like contouring. See how easy this bronzer just like melts on the skin? And it just like instantly gave me like a nice, more like sculpted look. I love it. Okay, now we are gonna go in with blush, and for blush I'm using the same thing as always. So it's the e.l.f. Putty blush in the shade Turks and Caicos, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Turks and Caicos. I like to just melt it with my finger, kind of go in here and up. It's pretty like that. I just put it there. I've been using this other shade for powdered blush, and that's what I use like all over my face. I'll talk a little more about it once we get to that part. But okay, now that we have blush and bronzer done, I'm gonna go in with concealer. So concealer, I am using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Like always, I literally love this concealer. I repurchased one. If you guys watched my Ulta haul, I had to get a new one. I mean, I'm pretty sure this one is still kind of new. I didn't get it that long ago. But yeah, I just used this under my eyes. I don't really put like concealer on my forehead or my chin. I kind of just blend this out, and with the same product on my beauty sponge, I just kind of go, you know, on my forehead and my chin. And I don't wait anymore. I just go in right away. I feel like, I know that people wait to set the concealer a little and then go in and blend because it gives you like more coverage. But with this concealer, I think it's better when you go in and blend right away instead of waiting. It just melts on the skin so much easier and it looks better, so. Okay, like that. Literally look at how amazing this looks. What? Oh my god. Okay, but the product, this new product I got at Ulta, yeah, I mean, you guys obviously know what product I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure it's like the only new product, one of the only new products that I got. It's the Rem Beauty Concealer in Fair 1, so it's the white one. And I've been using it to brighten up my concealer, just a little bit for my inner corner. So I literally take the smallest amount, literally the smallest. You do not need a lot. I mean, it's just to brighten, right? Not to really cover your whole under eye. So I literally just use this much on my little spatula, literally nothing. I warm it up with my finger. Like that, we have a little bit on my finger, and then I just add it to where I want to brighten. Right here. And that's it. I just keep blending it. Yesterday I used the sponge, but I think I prefer it with my finger. I feel like it just blends way better. And like, look. Like so easy, it just like melts in. And like, I mean, you know, like you can build it up. If you want to use more, then you can obviously go in with more. I kind of just want a little bit of brightness in my, like, kind of like inner corner. So that's why I do it this way. Okay, so now that it's blended, I am gonna go in and set. So for powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, like always. I think today I am gonna go, hopefully they have it in stock, but I am gonna try the Huda Beauty powder because everyone talks about it, like it's like amazing, so I need to try it. Sorry, I have a fuzz and I'm trying to get it. Okay, so like this, I know I look crazy, but trust the process. I know people are kind of over the whole baking, but I tried to let it go and it just didn't work for me. My makeup was just not really staying. My skin is pretty oily, so I kind of need something to set it. Especially right now, like in the summer, I just can't lightly set everything else. I don't want it to look too dry, you know, like these spots that don't really get oily, like there's no need for me to bake there. Look at how good it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna go in my neck. You cannot forget about your neck. I also try to use a little less products. I know I kind of bake there, but meaning like foundation and like, you know, liquid products or cream products, I try to not go in here just because my smile lines, you know, I don't want them to set. Okay, now we go in with bronzer, and for bronzer, obviously I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer and deep bronzer. I was gonna repurchase this at Ulta, but I didn't find it. I don't know if they, like I saw it online, like in the Ulta app, but it wasn't in store. I don't know if like they just don't sell Physicians Formula at Ulta anymore, but I need to get a new one because this is running low. Well, my eyebrows still look pretty good, right? Like even though they're not filled in. Okay, but for bronzer, this is it. So now I'm gonna go in with blush. And for blush, the one I've been using is actually one that I got at Makeup First. Is this one right here. I am sorry, I don't know what shade it is. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know anything about it. I don't think it says it. Oh yeah, it does actually. It's the Inglot Freedom System Blush 33. So yeah, this blush is amazing. I don't know why I never tried it. I mean, I just kind of looked at the shade and I was like, this is a bronzer, this isn't a blush. So I kind of never tried it. But then this one day I was just like playing around with makeup and I was like, you know what? I'm kind of tired of the blush that I always wear. I'm gonna go and try this one. Like, I've never tried it. Like, what if I really like it? And boom, I fell in love. Now that we are done with face, I'm just gonna go in and press in whatever is left under my eyes. Just to set whatever is left and literally look at how good our base look. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see. Benji's right there. Focus. Okay, there. Also, my eyebrows are still not filled in, so. But look at the base. Don't look at my mustache. I haven't taken it off. I need to go back to Target to get the little waxing tub because my legs are getting a little bit longer now, and my armpits also. And I have to repurchase the flamingo, like the strips for your face, because my mustache is in and has been in for a while. I just kind of ignore it. For setting spray, I am using the D-Slick Urban Decay Oil Control setting spray. Okay, sorry, I kind of have to like shut up so it doesn't set, you know, on my line, which I feel like you can kind of already see, but whatever. Okay, now I am gonna go in with my brows to finally fill them in. I am using the ABH brow definer in dark brown. Okay, so something like this. I like it. I like the color, and you know, like, I like the product. It's waxy, so I feel like it kind of gives my brows an extra hold. The only thing I don't like is like whenever I'm using it, this thing keeps twisting and it keeps getting longer or shorter, and that's pretty much the only thing I don't like. But yeah, look at how fire my brows look. I mean, they're still not even, but they look pretty good to me. Okay, so now that we're done with the face, I am gonna go in and finish the eyes. So all I have to do is pretty much just my bottom eyeshadow, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then tightline my waterline with my white liner. And then, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and then do my lip combo with you guys, and then we'll see the finished look. So yeah, I'll be right back. Oh my god, my camera is almost dying. Okay, but it doesn't matter because we're almost done. So yeah, I pretty much have everything done. All I have left is to line my lips and my lipstick. So for lip liner, I am using the MAC lip pencil in Strip Down. And for my liquid lipstick, I said that weird. For my liquid lipstick, I am using Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline in the shade 55 Driver. I think this brand, I'm pretty sure that shade is discontinued. I've been looking for it and it's nowhere to be found. If you guys know if I can get it anywhere else, then let me know. But yeah, whenever I look for it, it's never there. So there. This lip liner is so soft. It's just so, like, it glides on, but it's so precise. It's like, I love this so much. Voila. The makeup look is done. Okay, before I let my hair down and let the craziness, let me show you guys what it looks like. It's perfect. I am in love. I was gonna add a couple gems just like in the inner corner like how I always do, but I kind of don't feel like it. I like how my makeup looks now, so I'm gonna leave it that way. So yeah, now I get to do my hair. I still need to dry it because this thing is, yeah. This is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you guys did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already, then please make sure to subscribe. The button is down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.